This is the Qingcheng Machinery Company Limited, built in 1970. For more than 40 years, Qingcheng Machinery has now developed to a company which covers an area of about 400 acres, has built 150,000 square meters of modern headquarters space and woodworking machine research and development base in Chengdu Airport. It focuses on the development strategy of modern processing, variety of sale, global business, to form a systematic production and assembly line of the product parts, to effect the management of assembly by working procedure orderly, classified in a spacious circumstance, and undergo rigorous checks about performance, quality, and accuracy before each woodworking product is dispatched. Our company is mainly engaged in 5 series of woodworking: 4-side modular, double-side planer, Muti-blade ripsaw, single ripsaw, double end Tenoner, especially the 4-side modular single rip saw series are the first choice for our customers with its excellent performance, harsh precision, and high stability. Qingcheng Machinery, as a most powerful professional manufacturer of solid wood processing machinery, absorb international advanced woodworking machinery R&D and production technology, at the same time survey the world and breakthrough innovation. Qingcheng introductions Okuma 5-surface gantry machine center, FMS flexible machining production line, Makino horizontal machining center, Moriseki 9-axis linkage, lathe mill cutting center, LG Mazak vertical machining center, Mitsubishi laser cutting machine, Okamoto CNC grinding center, and Japan's Mitotoyo brand 3-coordinate measurement machine, and so on. The world advanced modern processing equipment and testing instruments. All the equipment are used for precision machining and testing machine body, frame, working table, cabinet, main shaft, sleeve, and other woodworking machine series product parts, which guarantee the parts machining accuracy and the interchangeability.